Joe's doing really well. Good recall, and he is sticking with his brothers. That's him at the top of the hill there. Ice is forming on the lake. Come. Cola Bodie Joe, come. Cola Bodie Joe, come. Sit, sit. Everybody sit, sit. Sit. Joe, sit. Joe, sit. Go. Oh, what a load off my mind. We've been out here for about 40 minutes, and he's run his butt off, and he's starting to think and listen. You have to take the leap of faith. See, there he goes over the hill, but he's staying within sight. He's got to start thinking of this as a normal thing to do and not, oh my God, I'm free. And this guy's keeping up with him too, because it's cool out and he'll run his butt off now. Cola runs, but only within reason. See, there are two out there. Come on, guys. Come on, bud. Joe. Joe. Joey. Come on. Good boy. The biggest thing is when he does come back, you don't leash him in, so he doesn't think the fun is over. It'll be fun out here in the snow this winter, and I won't have to worry. Never had to worry with these two because they always stuck together. Cola teaching him who the big dog is. In his younger years, Cola would just give Bodie the body slam. He'd just turn and nail him with his butt. And he's doing that a little now. That's all play. It's good to see a 10-and-a-half-year-old dog in such great shape. Once he comes and sits reliably to be clipped into a leash, you won't have to drag that lead around. Haven't heard or seen a single pheasant hunter, even in the cornfields. It's December, that tapers off almost completely. Bud, Bud. There you are. Cola hunts close. He's a good dog. Hey! Hey! Bodie! 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 Come! He's right on the other side of those trees. Cola says he is in trouble. Get over here, Bodie. What is up with you? What is your main malfunction? You're supposed to come, so he will come. All right, go. Ugh. Cola says you should have stuck with just one dog, dude. Come on, bud. Now sit, Bodie. Cola, sit. Let's see if Shit for Brains finally figures out that he's by himself. Lose your shit. So he's not afraid to come back. Come on, Bud, or Joe. Come on, Joe. Come on. Good boy. All right, Joe, sit. Joe, come here. Joe. Joe, sit. Onward.